back to Sci High Tech. Today I'm going to do a quick teardown of this broken Asus tablet. As you can see, it's seriously broken. I accidentally dropped these down some stairs and that's the result. So I'm going to go ahead and salvage the components that's inside. Let's get started. So as you can see, it doesn't turn on. No matter how many times I press the button, it won't turn on. So this thing is completely messed up, so I'm just going to go ahead and salvage for some components. This here is a nice lithium battery. I can use that, and here's some copper foil. I don't know, I can use copper foil for something. Alright, back panel is useless. So here is this lithium battery. I can use a lithium battery for something. Looks interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and keep it. Now let's go and see what else there is in this tablet. Alright, now I'm basically at the stage of see a screw, take a screw, see a screw, take a screw. Okay, got all the screws, and here's this part of the PCB. Interesting, I probably will salvage parts on it. Ah, here's a little speaker. I can use this little speaker for something. And what is this piece here? Oh, I broke it off, whatever it is. And I have a little webcam. Now webcams can be useful. Might do something cool with this. Make it a spy camera maybe. Not sure. Alright, let's go ahead and get rid of this back panel here. This protective panel that's probably protecting the LCD. Ah, and there is the LCD. And the LCD looks like it's in fairly good condition. Let's see the front to make sure. Ah, good. No scratches on the LCD, and it does not look damaged. Now this, I can definitely use for something. Probably to make a miniature gaming console and use the screen to play games on. I don't know. I probably can use this for some kind of future project. So yeah, definitely I'm going to keep this LCD and probably use this battery pack to make a portable gaming console. I don't know, we'll see. So far this cracked screen is useless. So let's see, what does the keyboard have? Okay, a protective panel, alright. Not really much to it, just a simple PCB with some valuable pieces of metal that I could probably salvage like gold, for example. And a keyboard, and I have here a handful of screws. Screws are always very useful for something. Good to keep these. And then there's these parts. I could possibly attach the screws to those and hold things together. But I don't know, those could be useful for something. And here are all of the components that I have salvaged. And I have this LCD, which is actually my favorite part of this whole project. I can definitely use this LCD for something. I'm actually very excited for that. And I have here, this is interesting, a little mouse touchpad. I don't think I have a use for that. A metal steel plate. Could possibly use that for something. Not sure what. And this lithium ion battery. This I can definitely use for something. Looks interesting and probably useful. I might think about that. And this copper foil, maybe to keep things cooled down perhaps. Not sure, but I might use it or just scrap for the copper. And I have these ribbon cables, not sure what to do with those. And this piece actually has a piece of gold on it, so I can salvage for the gold. And this here is a mini speaker. Mini speakers are very handy for something. Might use it for that. And let's see what is underneath these little panels here. Oh, more microprocessors. Okay. And this little camera here, I could possibly use this as a spy camera. And this part here, I don't know, could be useful for a door or something. And there you have it, a simple teardown of a tablet. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. Hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SciTi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.